Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie here. If you're new, please do make sure to subscribe. As you guys can tell, I've got a cooking video for you guys. It's been a while, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how I make my stir-fry noodles. I have adapted and changed a few things, so enjoy. So guys, the first thing that I do is actually cut the pork belly slices into smaller pieces and rinse it and everything ready to be seasoned. So you guys know what I use for my seasoning. I'm not going to bore you with everything, but I would name the major things that I use: so curry powder, Maggi cubes, garlic, mixed herbs, the usual and everything. I then mix everything together to make sure the seasoning is saturated and into the meat and everything. I then put some wok oil on the cooker, and yeah, when it's hot enough, I start to fry it and everything. I put as many pieces as I can fit in there and let it fry and everything. So after the pork belly is all fried and cooked and everything, I get a wok pan and actually add some wok oil in there and add my stir-fried vegetables, and I put my prawns inside. I put bacon inside as well before then starting on my seasoning, you know, the usual. You guys will be able to see it on the screen, so I'm not going to repeat it because you guys know what I usually use for my seasonings anyways. So yeah, you know, make it all nice and tasty. So after letting that fry for a bit, I then add the pork belly slices and everything, and also add in the soy sauce and let that simmer all together. Yum yum. After allowing everything to simmer, I then add the noodles and mix it all up and all together, and then let it simmer for a little bit before it's all done and ready to go. And look at that, it's all done and ready to be served. Oh Lord, it was amazing, I tell ya. All served and ready to be eaten. It was truly enjoyable and delicious. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do make sure to like, comment and subscribe. I shall see you in my next video. Bye.